Good afternoon, this is Bob Knight. It's the 27th day of October 2016. I wanted to talk about a trade I did today on MIK, the Michaels companies. I closed out a swing trade as well as I day traded it today on the short side. This program I'm using here is Stocks to Trade, put out by Timothy Sykes and his group. It's a great program, really like using it. It's great for charting and it's got lots of... MIK, it's a larger float stock, 205 million shares outstanding, 149 million in the float. Average is 930,000 a day. Today it traded 1.2 million, which corresponds with the big down day. Now, this is the one, as I said, the 1 year chart on MIK, and the company's been in a long-term downtrend here, and it's got this habit of making these moves up and then dropping precipitously, so breaking the trend. You can see them here and here and then here, and then recently though it couldn't even rally up, and it was bouncing up against this 2466 level, 2470 area. So here's what I wrote about MIK in my watch list in the shorts section. MIK, stock continues to look weak. I wrote about the stock and entered a short trade at 24.50. That was October 17th. And I would look to add to my short below $23. It is in a falling channel. My price target is 20. Shorts 6.7 days to cover. So let's have a look at the 6-month chart. So you can see in here it keeps banging up against this level here, and it can't break above it. It is in this long-term downtrending channel. So I enter a short in here on this around the 17th of October at 24.5 when the stock is, it's going red. So, and it does trend down. It gets as low as 23.30, but I see the support for this thing around $20, so I'm not really so worried about this move that it's done here. But let's look what happened today. Let's go to the 2-day chart. 5-minute, come on, 5-minute time period. And on this chart, I've got the 15-day exponential moving, or 15-period exponential moving average, and the 5-period EMA. And this is a very strong chart pattern for me. Mostly you've seen them in the inverse on the way up, but basically it's the same thing. The 15 EMA dropping precipitously, the 5 EMA dropping even more, and they're widening apart. Very strong chart pattern for me. That I short. So here I'm short at 24.50, and the stock's bouncing around, but I'm looking to go short the stock below $23, which is right here. It opens down, sharp drop down, and then bounces to 22.98, and this is where I get short, 22.98 on this bounce, and then it drops precipitously, and away it goes. I cover the first part of my day trade at 22.41. The stock came down, had this bounce in here, and I wanted to lock some profits in, so I took that. Took the balance of that the day trade at 22.36. 22.36. So in this candle here. Probably in these ones here where it started to bounce a bit. Again, just happy to make 60 cents a share on the stock. So I covered there. And then on my swing trade, I cover it at 22.30. 22.30. So probably in this area here somewhere. Could have held it for a bit longer. It did get down to 22.20, bounces up back to 22.20, and then sort of fades off and does spike up at the end of the day. But the key is I did catch the meat of the move, and as you can see from the 6-month chart, it's got these patterns where the stock is going nowhere but down, and then can't even rally above this level here. So anyways, that's my short trade. Thanks a lot.